First Payments Bank. Customers can open their savings account in a few minutes using the Aadhaar eKYC by visiting the nearest banking point. As a banking point for transacting with Airtel Payments Bank and opening a bank account. Keep biometric device ready. Ask the customer to keep the PAN and Aadhaar number or Aadhaar virtual ID ready. The process of opening a bank account. Log in to Mitra app by entering LAPU number and password. Tap Airtel Payments Bank tab and log in with LAPU number and password and tap Open Bank Account. Ask, are you an Indian national? If the customer is not an Indian national, select No. The flow will end here. Inform the customer that only Indian nationals are allowed to open savings account with Airtel Payments Bank. If customer is an Indian national, select Yes. Then enter customer's mobile number and tap on Send OTP. A verification code is sent on customer's mobile number. Take the verification code from the customer, enter here and tap Submit. Now, ask the customer about the type of identity proof that customer has, Aadhaar number or any other officially valid document. Note, if customer doesn't have the Aadhaar number, then select any other officially valid document option and tap on Proceed. The flow of opening a bank account will end here. Inform the customer that we have received your request for opening savings account with us. We will get in touch with you with the process for opening the account. If customer has Aadhaar number, then select Aadhaar number option and tap on Proceed. On the biometric scan screen, ask the customer to read the terms and conditions and tick the checkbox. Here, you can also generate Aadhaar virtual ID by following these simple steps. Ask customer their Aadhaar number or Aadhaar virtual ID and enter here. Remember, do not collect hard copy for any type of document from the customer. Take the PAN number from the customer, tick the PAN option and enter. Leave the checkbox blank if the customer does not have a PAN. Or if the customer has applied for the PAN, then select the Yes option and enter the PAN acknowledgement number and date. If the customer has not applied for PAN card, then select No. Scan the fingerprint of the customers using biometric device. After successful authentication, data is displayed from the Aadhaar. If the customer's correspondence address is different from the address available in the Aadhaar, then enter the correspondence address manually. If the correspondence address and the address available in the Aadhaar are the same, then tick the checkbox and tap on Next. Now enter other information of the customer such as father's name, mother's name, marital status, profession and annual income as mentioned by the customer. Here, I select No for the normal customer and Yes for SME customer here. Show the screen and tell the benefits of providing nominee details to the customer. Tick the nominee declaration. Get the nominee information from the customer and fill it correctly. Just like the nominee's first name, last name and date of birth and the account holder, enter their relation. Remember, the name of the customer or the name of the retailer cannot be entered in the nominee's name. If the nominee's address and the customer's correspondence address are both the same, then tick the checkbox. If different, then contact the nominee address, ask the customer and tap on Next. Advise the customer to give correct information of the nominee for quick and hassle-free claim processing. It is mandatory to have the right information of the nominee to claim insurance. If the nominee is a minor, then enter the guardian's details like first name, last name, age and relation. Tick the checkbox if the guardian address is same, else enter the guardian address. Please note, guardian details should be other than customer. Tap Next. Enter every detail correctly after asking the customer. Entering incorrect details can cause trouble in opening the bank account. Once you have entered all the details, you need to select the type of account you wish to open. If the customer has not provided PAN information, then it is necessary to fill out Form 60 here. Ask customer about agricultural income and other income and enter here. Ask the customer how much amount they want to deposit in their bank account. Here, suggest the customer to deposit rupees 500 as first deposit to get the free accidental insurance of rupees 5 lakh by maintaining monthly average balance of rupees 500. Always encourage the customer to open bank accounts with more funds such as 500, 1000 or 5000 rupees. Do not withdraw cash immediately after the opening of a bank account. Now, enter the first deposit amount 500. There will be an account facilitation charge of rupees 50 that you need to collect from the customer. Also, if the customer is converting his more than 30 days old wallet into savings account, then there will not be any account facilitation charge. Now, ask the customer to read and accept the terms and conditions and tick the checkbox and tap Next. Customer Form 60 information appears on the summary screen. Read details in front of the customer and confirm that the information is correct. Tap on Next. Now customer summary sheet appears on the screen. Verify and authenticate from the customer. Then tap Verify details and authenticate. Here, enter your MPIN and tap on Submit. To complete the process of opening the account, take a finger scan on the biometric device from the customer. After completing the process of opening a bank account, start the process of Direct Benefit Transfer or DBT. Direct Benefit Transfer or DBT is an initiative of the Government of India to transfer the subsidy amount directly to the Aadhaar-linked bank account. Note that to take advantage of DBT, you are sharing your Aadhaar information with us. If customer doesn't want to link DBT, then tap on No and Submit. After successful verification, the customer's bank account has been opened without DBT linking, and customers will receive the confirmation message and a welcome call on their mobile number. If a customer wants to link his bank account with DBT, then select Yes on the available screen and tap on the Submit button. There are two options on the Direct Benefit Transfer menu: First Time Linking and Link Airtel Payments Bank. First time linking means that the customer has not yet started taking advantage of Direct Benefit Transfer, and now he wants to link DBT to Airtel Payments Bank account for the first time. Tap on First Time Linking, ask the customer to read the declaration and tick the checkbox. Here, the customer's consent is mandatory. Now scan customer's fingerprint through the biometric device. After successful authentication, Airtel Payments Bank account will be linked, and whenever the customer wants the benefit of DBT, he will get in this account only, which can be withdrawn at the nearest banking point. After successful verification, the customer's bank account has been opened with DBT linking, and customers will receive the confirmation message and a welcome call on their mobile number. Link Airtel Payments Bank account means customer is already taking advantage of DBT in another bank account, and now he wants to link Airtel Payments Bank account while opening the account. Tap Link Airtel Payments Bank account, ask the name of the bank account linked to the DBT and select here from the drop-down. Now scan customer's fingerprint through the biometric device. After successful authentication, Airtel Payments Bank account will be linked from another bank account, and whenever the customer wants the benefit of DBT, he will get in this account only, which can be withdrawn at the nearest banking point. After successful verification, the customer's bank account has been opened, and customers will receive the confirmation message and a welcome call on their mobile number. Explain the benefits of the bank account to the customer. Free accidental insurance up to rupees 1 lakh or 5 lakhs for regular and Bharosa savings account. One debit transaction of at least rupees 10 is required in a month. Interest on deposits annually. Deposit and withdrawals can be done for a minimum of 10 rupees at the nearest banking point. Make a payment of 330 rupees from your account and get an insurance of rupees 2 lakh for PMJJBY. Please advise the customer to use the bank account by downloading Airtel Thanks app from smartphone and from a feature phone for Airtel customer USSD *400# and IVR 400. Ask non-Airtel customer to dial 8800 688 006. Please do not share your MPIN, virtual debit card number, and other personal details to anyone, and advise the same to the customer. Visit My Offers to learn about latest commission. Training on the process of opening a bank account with Airtel Payments Bank is complete. Now it's the time to complete the certification based on the training. It is necessary to get 80% marks to complete the certification. Click here to start the certification.